Nerve damage recovery. 5 vital vitamins for regeneration. Struggling with nerve pain or tingling? Let's cut to the chase. Here are 5 essential vitamins that boost nerve regeneration and speed up your recovery. Vitamin B12, the MVP for nerve health. B12 repairs nerve fibers and protects them from further damage. Include meat, dairy, or fortified cereals in your diet, or go for a supplement. Vitamin B1, thiamine. B1 helps regenerate damaged nerves and reduces pain. Whole grains, nuts, and seeds are your go-to sources for this nerve-healing powerhouse. Vitamin B6. This vitamin ensures nerves function properly and supports healing. But balance is key. Too much can cause nerve issues. Find B6 in chicken, fish, and bananas. Vitamin D. Crucial for nerve repair, vitamin D reduces inflammation and boosts healing. Get sunlight or add fatty fish and fortified foods to your meals. Alpha-lipoic acid. ALA, not a vitamin, but worth mentioning. ALA is a powerful antioxidant that reduces nerve pain and inflammation. Find it in spinach, broccoli, or supplements. Incorporate these vitamins into your diet and kickstart your nerve recovery. Found this helpful? Don't forget to hit like